In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open and use capture history in Sharex. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your past screenshots and recordings, how to search through them quickly, and how to recover a link or the original file when you need it. Start by launching Sharex from your desktop. If you use it often, it's a good idea to keep it pinned to your taskbar or set it to start with Windows so it's always ready when you need it. Once Sharex is open, you'll see the main window with a sidebar on the left and information panels on the right. Next, click History in the left-hand sidebar. This opens a complete, filterable list of every task Sharex has handled, including captures, uploads, and any errors. Think of this as your activity log. You can scan through it to see what happened and when. It's especially helpful if you're trying to trace a recent screenshot or confirm whether an upload actually completed. For a more visual way to browse, click Image History in the sidebar. This opens a dedicated window that displays large thumbnails of your screenshots, which makes it much easier to spot the exact image you're after at a glance. If you work with lots of captures, this view can save a ton of time compared to reading file names. At the top of the history, use the search bar to find files by name. If you remember part of the file name you used, just start typing and the list will narrow down immediately. You can also use the drop-down filters to refine by date, by type, choosing image versus video, or by host. Host refers to the service or destination where a file was uploaded, such as an image host. Filtering by host is particularly useful when you only need links from a specific provider. If you uploaded an image but lost the link, right-click the item and select URL, then copy URL. Sharex will place the link on your clipboard so you can paste it into a browser, a document, or a chat. This is the fastest way to recover a shareable link without re-uploading anything. If you need the actual file stored on your computer, right-click the item and choose Open, then Folder. This opens the location on your hard drive where the file lives, letting you move it, attach it, or back it up. If the folder opens but the file isn't there, it may have been moved or deleted outside of Sharex, so check your backups. That's it. With history and image history, plus search and filters, you can quickly find any capture, copy its link, or jump straight to the file on your drive.